Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox gift card if they're not working. So how to fix it? So I will be just move in my browser and make sure you will have logged in on web browser your Roblox account simply, and we will move in the top left three lines of settings, and the last option is a gift card. So I will be just move in the gift cards option. So when it's completely load, so it will be just move you on the shop gift cards, and I will just tap on a redeem card. So when it's completely load, so you will be just enter your redeem code. So you know that a redeem code from the Amazon account or like another platforms, it will be just give you the gift cards in the redeem code. So example, I will just add it the redeem code, and I will just tap on it for redeem and apply for the so right now it will be says that this is invalid code. Sometimes it will says that invalid code, and sometimes it will says that the already use this redeem code. So in this way, what gonna do, we will move in the next like browser on Google, and I will be just tap on it Roblox support ticket code. And what can I do, I will be just tap on Roblox support, and I will be just put my all information right over here, and please select your device if you are using PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone or iPad or Android phone. And I will be just using iPhone. I will select it the iPhone. You will just confirm your email address, your the first name optional, and select the whatever you like gift card, and you will be just selected all the description of issue. You will just describe your completely issue, what are you facing of. So you will just tell that you are facing the invalid code when you just entered the redeem code. So just tap on it to continue. So it will just cut your ticket to the spot, and it will be just feedback in 24 hours. So that's it. So in this way you will just fix your Roblox gift card if they're not working. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.